South Asia, a land of rich history but divided by borders. Imagine a future where education unites us all. From state violence and minority land rights in Bangladesh to shared challenges across India and Pakistan, our region faces division. But education can change that, fostering peace, inclusivity, and resilience for all. Introducing the One World, One Identity, One Curriculum model, a unified education framework celebrating our shared heritage, teaching human rights, building cross-border friendships, and equipping youth with skills for climate action and digital futures. Special focus: empowering minorities and marginalized communities. Our 25-year roadmap starts now. Build consensus, expand to millions of students, institutionalize unity, and lead the world in inclusive education. By 2050, South Asia united, peaceful, resilient, and future-ready. Join Minhaz Chowdhury, independent human rights defender, in this transformative vision. Heads of governments, UNESCO, UNICEF, universities, youth endorse, resource, and champion this. Contact rightsmanbest@gmail.com or visit hr-defender.blogspot.com. Let's build a united South Asia together.